I'm going to point out one chart here today that I think is probably one of the more important points that anyone can consider right now, whether they are an investor or a trader, whether they are 30 years old, 40, 50, 60, 70 plus. And that is the following chart on your screen. Now, before I walk you through this for a second, let me just preface it by saying the following. I actually think it's easier to make money now here in 2023 and reach certain, match certain goals that we have in terms of being able to have a certain type of return, whether it's income or a certain yield from our portfolio, to have a certain spending power than it was during the complete buying frenzy from 2020 into 2021. And the reason for that is because interest rates are much higher, and we can basically take almost no risk in the case of treasuries, pretty much no risk on the short end of the yield curve, to put on trades. Now, a lot of this stuff can be done with ETFs as well, just so you know. Look at this chart real quick, and what you can see right now is, as of late 2022, and it holds true here in early 2023 as well, in order to build a portfolio that has a yield of 6.5%, so a return of 6.5%, almost risk-free, right? You only have to put on stocks to the tune of about 35% into a portfolio, meaning there's a lot less risk that one has to take to build a portfolio that yields 6.5%. And I would argue there's an easily this could be expanded up to 7, 8, 9%, right? So that was not possible over the past, let's say, 5 years. Literally not possible. So a complete reshifting of portfolios is happening right now, and I would encourage everyone to seriously educate yourself on that. Tune in here on our videos that we're making on the Steady Wealth podcast. I'm going to make a special podcast on that as well. And if you have needs for an income, this is a great time. It's an easier time now to make money than it was for the past number of years, where it took so much risk to take to make a certain return. A lot of people are completely not aware of that on the retail side, and I really would like to open you. If you have questions, please let us know. We're going to do a special webinar on that as well. I need people to be aware of this. Hope it helps. We'll see you again soon.